Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. நம்மளோட சேனலை இப்போ தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பக்கத்தில் உள்ள பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோவில் யூனிட் 10 பிரின்சிபல் ஆஃப் லிட்ரரி கிரிட்டிசிசம் உடைய மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஷின்ஸ் தான் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸும் நம்ம பார்த்துடலாம். First question, Plato is the discipline of dash. Option C, Socrates. Second question, which of the following pre-Socratic philosopher influenced Plato? Option A, Heraclitus. Third question, which philosopher said that everything in the universe is in a state of flux? Option D, Heraclitus. Fourth question, who propounded the dialectical method of pursuing truth? Option B, Socrates. Fifth question, in which form did Plato present his philosophy? Option C, dialogue. Sixth question, which among the following is not a dialogue by Plato? Option D, Poetics. Seventh question, Plato expounded his theory of forms in dash and dash. Option B, Phaedo and the Republic. Eighth question, according to Plato, reality exists in dash. Option B, the realm of pure forms. Ninth question, who is a rhapsode? Option D, medium through which he speaks. Tenth question, which according to Plato is a divorce from reason? Option C, poetry. 11th question, in which book does Plato banish the poets? Option D, the Republic. 12th question, who advocates an open and strict censorship of poetry? Option A, Plato. 13th question, to which discipline does Plato associate poetry? Option C, democracy. 14th question, according to Plato, reality exists in dash levels. Option D, 3. 15th question, according to Plato, poetry is dash. Option A, imitation of an imitation. 16th question, Plato's influence is mostly evident in dash. Option D, romantic poets. 17th question, who argued against Plato's theory of forms for the first time? Option A, Aristotle. 18th question, which is the school established by Plato? Option B, Academy. 19th question, who is regarded as the most brilliant student of Plato? Option C, Aristotle. 20th question, who was the tutor of Alexander? Option C, Aristotle. 21st question, which is the school founded by Aristotle? Option A, Lyceum. 22nd, what is the central concept of Aristotle's metaphysics and logic? Option A, substance. 23rd question, in which work does Aristotle make the distinction between primary and secondary substitutes? Option D, categories. 24th question, which of the following is an example of primary substance? Option B, a particular horse. 25th question, which of the following is an example of secondary substance? Option C, animal. 26th question, according to Aristotle, what is the source of knowledge? Option B, senses. 27th question, according to Aristotle, reality exists dash. Option D, in the external world. 28th question, what is the term that Aristotle used for logic? Option A, analytics. 29th question, Aristotle's work on logic are collectively known as? Option D, organon. 30th question, what is the basis of Aristotelian logic? Option C, syllogism. 31st question, which is Aristotle's theoretical treatise on the nature and functions of poetry? Option D, Poetics. 32nd question, the two notions which form the core of Aristotle's Poetics are dash and dash. Option A, imitation and action. 33rd question, what does art imitate according to Aristotle? Option B, human action. 34, according to Aristotle, tragedy represents men dash. Option C, better than the norm. 35. Which are the two ways to represent action according to Aristotle? Option D, narration and dramatic representation. 36. According to Aristotle, history narrates events dash. Option A, that have actually happened. 37. According to Aristotle, poetry is dash. Option B, more philosophical than history. 38. According to Aristotle, poetry gives dash. Option C, general truths. 39. Where does Aristotle define tragedy? Option A, poetics. 40. What is the effect of tragedy on the audience? Option D, catharsis. 41. According to Aristotle, dash is the soul of tragedy. Option B, plot. 42. Which play is the example of complex plot according to Aristotle? Option C, Oedipus Rex. 43. Which is the term that Aristotle uses for the sudden reversal of action? Option B, peripeteia. 44. Which is the term that Aristotle uses for the recognition of truth? Option A, anagnorisis. 45. The term hamartia is taken from dash. Option D, archery. 46. The meaning of the term amartia is dash. Option C, to miss the mark. 47. Which school of critics rekindled an interest in Aristotle in the 20th century? Option B, Chicago School. 48. Who is the author of On the Sublime? Option A, Longinus. 49. What is the term that Longinus used to denote excellence in the language that leads? Option D, sublimity. 50. What is parenthesis? Option C, false sentiment. 51. Who called Longinus a romantic critic? Option B, Scott James. 52. Which of the following is an example of sublimity according to Longinus? Option A, the Iliad. 53. Who is known as the father of English criticism? Option D, Dryden. 54. Who called John Dryden the father of English criticism? Option B, Dr. Johnson. 55. Who is the author of an essay on dramatic poesy? Option C, Dryden. 56. Maximum time frame allowed according to the unity of time is dash. Option A, 24 hours. 57. Which is the second unity according to Dryden? Option C, unity of place. 58. According to unity of place, ideally dash. Option B, all the scenes should be enacted upon the same place. 59. Which is the third unity? Option A, unity of action. 60. The romantic movement was initiated by the publication of dash. Option D, lyrical ballads. 61. Lyrical ballads was published in the year dash. Option C, 1798. 62. The preface to the lyrical ballads was first added in dash edition. Option A, 1800. 63. For his poems in the lyrical ballads, Wordsworth chose incidents and situation. Option B, common life. 64. Who is the author of the Rime of the Ancient Mariner? Option D, Coleridge. 65. Who is the author of Lucy poems? Option C, Wordsworth. 66. Who defined poetry as a spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings? Option C, Wordsworth. 67. Which of the following poem is not included in the lyrical ballads? Option D, Dejection on Ode. 68. Who is the author of the essay The Study of Poetry? Option B, Arnold. 69. Who among the following is not a Victorian poet? Option A, Robert Burns. 70. Who defined poetry as a criticism of life? Option D, Arnold. 71. According to Arnold, poetry is substitute for dash. Option C, religion. 72. Who called poetry the birth, breath and the finer spirit of all knowledge? Option B, Wordsworth. 73. Which are the two estimates that supersede the real estimate of poetry according to? Option A, historic estimate and personal estimate. 74. Who wrote Dover Beach? Option B, Arnold. 75. Who wrote The Wasteland? Option D, D. Eliot. 76. Who coined the critical term objective correlative? Option C, T.S. Eliot. 77. Who coined the term dissociation of sensibility? Option B, T.S. Eliot. 78. Who revived an interest in the metaphysical poets through an edited collection of in 20th century? Option A, Grierson. 79. The theory of impersonality in poetry was propounded by Dash. Option C, T.S. Eliot. 80. Who among the following is not a metaphysical poet? Option D, Thomas Gray. 81. Who said that in the poems of the metaphysical poets, the most heterogeneous yoked by violence together? Option A, Dr. Johnson. 82. A thought too was an experience, it modified a sensibility. Option B, Donne. 83. Who according to Eliot are the poets who think but do not feel the thoughts as the order of a rose? Option C, Tennyson and Browning. 84. Which poet according to Eliot aggravated the dissociation of sensibility? Option D, Dryden. 85th question. Who wrote the essay The Tradition and the Individual Talent? Option C, T.S. Eliot. 86. Who argued that all mental systems are the products of real social and economic ideas? Option B, Marx. 87. Who made the base and superstructure model of socio-economic relations? Option A, Marx. 88. Soviet socialist realism rejected dash art. Option D, modernist. 89. Which Marxist critic employed the term reflection? Option C, Lucas. 90. Who rejected naturalism and advocated realism as a true reflection of reality? Option B, Lucas. 91. Who advocated alienation effect, rejecting the tradition of Aristotelian theatre? Option A, Burchett. 92. Who among the following is not a member of the Frankfurt School? Option C, Lucas. 93. Who among the following argued that culture is a whole way of life? Option D, Raymond Williams. 94. Cultural materialism is associated with dash. Option B, Raymond Williams. 95. Who is the author of postmodernism or the cultural logic of late capitalism? Option D, Frederick Jameson. 96. Freud's theories depends upon the notion of dash. Option A, the unconscious. 97. According to Freud, the process by which unresolved conflicts, desires and past forced out of conscious awareness into the realm of the unconscious is known as dash. Option B, repression. 98. What is the Freudian term for the process by which the repressed material is found something grander or is disguised as something noble? Option A, sublimation. 99. In Freud psychology, ego roughly corresponds to dash. Option C, the consciousness. 100th question. In Freudian psychology, superego roughly corresponds to dash. Option D, the conscience. இந்த வீடியோவில் மொத்தம் 100 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து கொடுத்துருந்தேன், அதுக்கான ஆன்சர்ஸும் கொடுத்துருந்தேன். அது வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இன்னொரு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான மெட்டீரியலில் வந்து உங்களை சந்திக்கிறேன். இந்த வீடியோ யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா உங்களுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், ரொம்பவே ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். தேங்க்யூ.